JCID New Release Professional Screen Tester V15. Support full functions test of display and touch of Apple, Android, and Huawei models of MIPI protocol. Standard package with 16 models screen test FPC from iPhone X15 Plus. Operation guide. Take out the screen to be tested and the corresponding screen test FPC. Boot up V15. Wait for the loading process to complete. Buckle the screen test FPC on V15. On the screen of V15, it shows that the FPC is connected. Then buckle the screen on the screen test FPC. Click Lighting. Click the color section on V15. The corresponding color is displayed on the screen to be tested. You can check if there are any dead pixels on the screen by observing the above colors. This is Image section. Click the Image section. Through observing the image, you can check if there is abnormal part on the screen. After lighting up the screen, click the plus and minus signs to adjust the screen brightness. Click Auto Cycle. Select Cycle Type. Select Cycle DC. It will play the above sections clockwise on the screen. Click Cycle RC, and the screen will loop play the above sections counterclockwise. Click Cycle Stop to stop loop playing. Click Cycle Speed to adjust the speed of playing. Click the Touch section. The screen testing module will test the problems of touch screen, such as unresponsive touch on part or all of the screen, multi-touch gestures not working, inaccurate touch behavior, support multi-finger touch operation, up to 5 finger. Click Clear to erase the touch traces on both screens. There is also Simple Touch Test. Effectively improve the test efficiency.